Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle. So featured today is this used Porsche Taycan Turbo with the Performance Plus battery. This particular example is finished in the optional Carrara White Metallic paintwork, and that does really give this vehicle that standout look. Now moving on to the performance stats of this Porsche Taycan Turbo. This particular example does feature the dual motor setup, which has produced 671 brake horsepower as well as 627 pounds-feet of torque, creating a 0 to 60 time of just 3.1 seconds. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we do find these fantastic Porsche LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, where we do find these fantastic upgraded 20-inch Mission E design alloy wheels with the Carrara White Metallic paintwork running on the outer rim, and this again does really add to the overall futuristic design and does also complement the white paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, we do find the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view, as well as continuing again that black and white theme. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Porsche Taycan, where we do find up to 366 litres of storage capacity, which is a decent amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear now, where we do find this fantastic two-tone Bordeaux red and black leather interior, which has had the quilting as well on the seats. You do also get a leather centre armrest, which just fold down to present two useful cup holders. The upgraded Bose surround sound system does carry on into the rear of the cabin, where there's also heated seats for those rear occupants, as well as ventilation and enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably, especially on the longer journeys. Moving into the front now, where that red and black contrast does continue, with a fantastic layout in this interior with the 2 screens, one for the passenger and one for the driver as well. These seats are also the Porsche Taycan Turbo seats, and again you do also get the turbo embossed in both headrests. Just to add to this, we do also get the Taycan Turbo kick plates, which is a nice entry into this cabin. Now we do find the driver's view, where we find this fantastic round leather steering wheel, in which does have the gloss black inserts as well as the Chrono switch. Above now we do find a virtual cockpit display, in which is featured these 3 digital rev counters and virtual screens, in which can also be adjusted towards your driving mode as well as the navigation. On the steering wheel we do also find this toggle switch, which does allow you to choose the different driving modes such as Sport and Sport Plus. Now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, where we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, which is seamlessly integrated, and this does feature the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving below this now, we do find the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and just below this you do also find the heated seat functionalities for both front passengers. Moving to that screen above once again now, where we do also find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which does make this Porsche Taycan much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. Just to the left of this now, we do find this fantastic passenger upgraded display, in which does allow the passenger to see everything that the driver can, such as the speed, performance, and also adjust the music and the satellite navigation. For more information, or if you would like to arrange a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.